Oi gente, tudo bem? Começando mais um vídeo aqui no canal. E como vocês viram aí na capa, hoje a faxina vai ser na minha cozinha, né? Só tá um caos. Vou descongelar a geladeira. Inclusive tinha desligado ela ontem, mas porém ela não descongelou. Acho que é por causa do frio, né? Porque normalmente quando eu desligo ela de um dia pro outro, ela descongela inteirinha, a cozinha amanhece encharcada. Então, vou limpar o armário, vou lavar o chão, pretendo lavar o vitrô aqui também. Então é isso, eu espero muito que vocês gostem do vídeo, tá bom? Não esqueça de deixar seu like, de se inscrever se você for novo por aqui, tá bom? Compartilhe aí com a amiga, com a família, tá? E é isso, vamos pro vídeo. Vou mostrar aqui pra vocês como que tá, ó. Já tirei aqui o forro da mesa, né? Ó, vou limpar aqui o armário, tá tudo bem desorganizado, tá vendo? Ó, em cima da geladeira, a pia. Quero dar uma boa lavada nessa pia. Tem fogão pra limpar. O chão tá sujo. Então é isso, né? Minha lavanderia tá daquele jeito. É isso, vamos lá. Vou mostrar aqui pra vocês como que tá minha geladeira, olha. Não consegui nem tirar a... como que fala? A vasilha de feijão. Aí eu pus o ventilador aqui, ó, pra ajudar a descongelar. Pus esse paninho aqui pra segurar. E tá nessa situação. Vou tirar esses trem tudo aqui pra lavar, sabe? Essas grades, essa gaveta.
Give me love, give me all your love. Oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, Give me all your love, give me all your love. You down, and I know that I was not always around. I made you feel alone. You spent most of your nights just sitting on your own. I should have done so much more, like giving you the things you asked me for. And I know I was wrong. What I try to tell you with my song, tell you with my song. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I'd make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I'll ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? I know that I've done so many things to let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. When I close my eyes, you know that you're the only thing I see, and it makes me cry to think that you are no longer with me. I'm sorry. What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? All I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? Whoa, 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 whoa. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? All I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while?
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like. Told. But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like. Singing like. can try if you let me. Without lives, I am bleeding. Who am I without stories that aren't mine? What I did to achieve you gave me air, thought I had to. I'm untrue, it's not pretty, the truth hurts. And you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes, you've been here before, you closed the door. Now I don't know what to say, I expect you to leave. I deserve to be unheard, but I want you to see that you are the reason why I try. I don't know what you're thinking, but I know how you're feeling. I have crushed and burned someone before, and now I'm afraid of the person I'm pretending to be. But I'm more afraid to tell you I'm less than you see. And I know when I let go right now, I'm gonna turn you against me. 'Cause baby, you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes, you've been here before, you closed the door. Now I don't know what to say, I expect you to leave. I deserve
been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
Pra vocês como que ficou aqui dentro a organização, ó. Organizei dessa maneira, tá? Eu tenho muito pouco espaço no meu armário é muito pequeno, sabe? Aí ficou assim. Na parte de baixo eu não mexi, né? Porque tem pouco tempo que eu limpei lá. Ó. Esse paninho aqui também eu não troquei, porque fazia pouco tempo que eu tinha trocado ele, né? Agora eu vou mostrar a geladeira aqui como ficou. Ó, por dentro ficou assim, como vocês viram, né? Eu lavei tudo. Lavei de mangueira mesmo. O congelador tá assim, né? Tá vazio, mas a gente vai comprar as coisas também, mistura. Que a gente não compra assim muito pra, sabe? Ficar assim congelado, não. Mas é fresco mesmo. Ali tem feijão congelado. Aí eu limpei ela por fora também, mas acabei não mostrando, né? Ó. Ficou assim. Armário, ali embaixo, a pia, como vocês viram, esfreguei. Lavei os vidros aqui, né? Lavei a porta também. Ó. Fogão, então tá tudo limpinho. Graças a Deus.
I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love?
Passando aqui para finalizar o vídeo, né? Como vocês viram aí, fiz uma faxina daquelas aqui na minha cozinha. Realmente estava precisando muito. Espero muito ter motivado vocês aí, né? Fazer aquela faxina e também na casa, tá bom? Então é isso. Não saia daqui antes de deixar seu like, de se inscrever, tá bom? Se você for novo por aqui. Compartilha aí o vídeo com a amiga, com a família, tá bom? E é isso. Deus abençoe e até o próximo vídeo.